Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop your desktop background from automatically changing in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and has completely loaded up. Wait for all your startup programs to finish loading so you can navigate smoothly through the settings without any lag or delays. Once your PC is ready and everything has loaded, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Windows Start menu icon there, which is typically located on the left side or in the center depending on your taskbar configuration. Go ahead and click on the Start menu icon to open it up. After clicking, a menu will appear with various options and features. At the top of this menu, you'll notice a search bar where you can type to quickly find specific settings or applications. In this search bar, type in Settings and then hit Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Windows Settings menu, which is your central hub for customizing and managing your system preferences. Once the Windows Settings menu opens, you'll see various categories displayed on the left side of the window. Look for the option labeled Personalization and click on it. This section contains all the customization options for your desktop, including themes, colors, lock screen settings, and importantly, your background preferences. After clicking on Personalization, you'll be taken to a new screen with several options. Here you'll see a section specifically for background, with a drop-down menu next to it. This is the key setting that controls how your desktop background behaves. If your background has been changing automatically, it's because this drop-down is currently set to slideshow, which is often the default setting in Windows 11. A slideshow setting means Windows cycles through multiple images at set intervals, constantly rotating your background. To stop this automatic changing, simply click on the background drop-down menu and select either picture or solid color from the available options. Choosing picture lets you set a single static image as your desktop background that won't change unless you manually update it. Selecting solid color gives you a plain single color background instead. Either option will immediately stop the automatic background rotation and keep your desktop looking exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully stopped your desktop background from automatically changing in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.